Meaning of hone.
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 Hone. The term hone can refer to a few different things, depending on the context. Generally speaking, though, hone means to sharpen or refine something, usually a skill or ability. For example, someone might say that they are honing their writing skills by practicing every day, or that they are honing their public speaking abilities by taking a class. The end result of honing is typically that the thing being honed becomes more precise, effective, or efficient. In essence, honing helps to make something better than it was before, through practice and refinement.